I don't want slippers. No.
Want slipper?
Look at the dumb girl. Look at the other dumb boy. Look at the hiding dumb boy. Going camping.
Tumahimik siya pag nag-slipper na.
Hello, dumb girl.
Gusto niya mag-download.
What the? What are you watching?
Nagka-drive. Tapos gusto niya na password. Hindi tuloy ko na pag
Girl.
wala tayong wifi data lang.
What are those?
Gusto niya mag-download ng app sa...
Wait, let's check what's underneath. You see that?
Pag ko na ito.
Never mind.
Tumahimik siya.
Giat!
Hindi talaga yung mga bata. Ito ka nila sumali.
Ah!
Walang signal. Awi.
Ano gusto ko ito powder yun ay
Hindi ba mahirap yung exam sa ano?
Let's check what's going on outside. So dark. This one. So dark. Hello, dumb girl.
Mag-take ka ba? Mag-take ka ba? Wala ko mag-exam.
Hello, hello, say hi. Wait, why are you crying? Wait, Bubbles, Bubbles, no. Show me you're crying. Oh, don't cry.
Wala, ano nag-exam?
Mama, Bubbles crying.
Wala, Grace. Ang taon sa grade? 32.
What are you even watching, baby
Kasi ko
girl?
sila. Sipak sila.
That's dark distance. And that's dark sky. Yeah. That's old tree.
Pero nag-take na sila ng ano. 1 year.
Hello, dumb girl.
Pag maglagay ka na ng
Hello, dumb girl with a leaf.
bago ka lang. May ano yun
What
eh.
the heck is that?
Pero yung
My dad is in the water. Far away.
sila dito, may sila sa Pinas. Tapos hindi pa sila
Da-da-da-da.
nag-drive sila.
Go wedding
Nag-drive sila dito kasi alam mo nila mag-drive. Ay, baka mag-drive na. Utik pa kasi. Baka matagal na sila. Sige, pupunta kita sa Liam. Pupunta ka sa Awi. Ano, baka matagal na sila nag-drive sa Pinas. Oh.
Oh, look at the
Kasi kaya
bird.
yun eh, pag sa Pinas yung license mo.
Ew.
Kasi si ate sila. Si ate sila kaya pala.
Why are you making it big? Why are you making us give it into Olympic?
Punta dito. Pero hindi na siya mag-learning. So, iba yung...
Okay, never mind.
Yung theory, oo, ano lang, mag-choice ka, register din or yung ano na talaga, yung parang mag-drive ka din, so hard. Hazard yan. Dalawa yan eh. Yung hazard yan.
Okay.
Then, para mag-drive ka.
Ah, why you slap me? Wow.
May choice ka na.
The girl? What are you watching? Plus, we're in the middle of the forest.
Ay, yun, parang kasi
Wow, this is so
11
ugly.
yun, 11 na ano yun, pero 130 every
Something's happening in the summer.
Liam, huwag mong labatin yung akin. Parang inaano. Kasi start na lang yung learners. Wala ka lang baka hazard na sa'yo. After hazard, mag-take ka na.
Yak!
Oo.
Yak!
Alam mo na sabi ng alam lang.
Yak!
Magka-hazard yung ano nila. Pero yung ano na
Yak!
yung
Yak! Oh, you can't even see that star. Okay, let's actually see what's underneath.
Kasi ito yung pinapaano yung pinapabasa mo. So, like ka nag-take or pumunta ka ng Ayaw?
Okay. There's none here. I promise.
Can I see?
Sure.
Do you
Put me
know
on
this?
speakerphone.
1 to 30?
If anyone goes near my queen, they die.
You know that? No? Ew. I know,
You really
right?
are my protector.
I know.
Me feel so safe now. Papa, are you braiding it for someone else right now?
No, of course not, kitten.
Good. Because trust me, this kitten isn't afraid to use her claws.
Ano pala?
Hi, Baba. Aw.
I told you to call me king.
Oo pala eh. Tapos ito daw, pag yan sa motor tapos pag nag-exam ka daw, irarambo mo lahat. Kukuha sila dito ng ganito?
Girl, you got to kidding me.
I told you to call me.
Ayun, ito.
Nice, I just got a Buddha. This is by far the rarest fruit in the game.
Are you nuts? It's not even a mythical tier. Take a look at my venom. This is a real rare fruit.
It's nice and all, Grim, but I have the rarest fruit in the game right now.
Screw you, Silver. So why don't we talk about rare fighting styles? Taste my god human.
Very nice, but it's not even on the max level yet.
God damn. But hey, I got the cursed dual katana, one of the rarest weapons in the game.
Yeah, I don't have any mythical weapons. You won this one.
I knew it. My swords are stronger than yours in Sword Fight RPG Simulator and also in Blocks Fruits.
Is that all you got, noobs? I have a meme fruit.
What? How do you have it?
It's just that Rip Indra is my uncle.
Why don't you show us this meme fruit?
I can't. I already ate it.
So give us some of its moves.
Zama.
Fine, I'll
It's
try.
Disney.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I bet this is totally fake. What do you think?
Nice, I just got a Buddha.
Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye.